Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the start drift test, which is the closed beta test for the upcoming game Petit Planet from hoyoverse. So, Petit Planet is a cozy cosmic theme game that just opened its closed beta registration starting from April 21st. And if you are interested in trying it earlier, here's what you need to do. First, just head over to the official Petit Planet websites like this. This link, you can just go to this link, and then make sure you already a hoyoverse account. Just log in over here. Just log in with your Hoyo account. If you don't have one yet, you can just easily create it on this same page at the registrations. And then next to join this beta test or to register this beta test, you need just tap on this button, pre-register and join beta test. And then after that, just checklist the consent and then just register now like this, and then just simply tap on join the beta. And then after that, and then next you will be asked to fill out a survey like this. So just complete all the questions until the end. Just tap on start and then fill all the questions survey. And once you're done, that's it. Now you just have to wait for the invitations. If you are selected, you will receive an email from hoyoverse. You can also check the status anytime by click on the check access on this website. And okay, that's how you can join the start drift test for the Petit Planet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.